We fished in Washington, Hawaii, Florida, and Texas. But this might be the most unexpected place yet, Washington, D.C. Good morning from Maryland. Just right outside of Washington, D.C. Just arrived here at the Capitol. Currently walking over to the Abraham Lincoln Memorial. I just had to go try one of the bobas. Definitely not recommended. Stay away from the bubble tea trucks. Lincoln Memorial right there. We've got the U.S. Army band playing, and we've got the Washington Monument right behind us. Such an amazing time here at the National Mall. You got this. It is the next day here in Maryland. We are actually fishing one of the local docks here, one of the local fishing piers. From the map, it looks very promising. Chesapeake Bay, right out there. First time fishing this area. A bunch of different baits, swim baits. There you go. Dead live bait and another jig.
And rowing rod.
Still broken rods. Wanna give this a try first. All I have to do is just tie this in.
No, I hit, yeah, it was like,
Just like that, we were set up, first cast.
Yes, take off the
One of the fellow fishermen out here kind of gave us some more tips. Went ahead and changed our strategies here, so I now have a fish bite, fish concoction right here.
Oil shad.
These fish are called croakers, and they actually make the noise. I think this is a fish on. I think I lost it. Or maybe it's just too small. I don't know.
It's a crab.
Oh wow. First catch here in Maryland is a crab. Oh.
It got away.
Oh. It was a crab. Didn't fight.
For the crab.
Here in Washington, D.C. We're just kind of like on an island here, currently fishing for basically whatever bites. Do some lazy fishing, which is basically just set up our gear, cast it out really far away, wait for a bite. First time fishing in the capital city of the U.S. Pretty exciting just to be out here. Ferry coming down the river. This is actually the Potomac River, and I'm not even sure if I'm saying that right. Potomac River, something like that. Kaye's got this entire shad on the hook, and I feel like the hook is kind of small, but this is all we got. Still a broken rod that we're using right here, so not sure if we caught a big 50-pounder catfish out here. I'm not sure if this rod is gonna survive. Yeah, that's a good cast. We actually drove through here last night and there was a bunch of folks fishing. The sun's about to set right there, right behind us. Everybody's pretty much using some live bait. I'm gonna go ahead and use a jig to see if we can catch anything with this one. Just had to go to Target grocery here in Virginia. Had to go get some chicken as bait and also get some snacks because I think we're gonna stay here for a little bit. A guy right next to us has been catching fish, a lot of catfish. The sun has officially set. Such a pretty time to be out here, and it's gonna be even better if we catch catfish or some kind of fish, that is. Kaye's finally on a fish on. Look at that. Come on in. What happened?
Oh, I'm just trying to feel it.
I thought you already lost it.
No.
It's not
Quite
fighting.
different. Yeah, it's quite different.
Just reel it in. I feel like it's gonna be a very small fish.
Maybe. But
Oh!
it's a fish.
Look at that, folks. Look at that first fish. First fish in
It's not catfish, right? Is it
no, that
catfish?
is absolutely a catfish. Look at that.
Oh, it's a croaker.
It's a croaker catfish. First fish here in Washington D.C. I don't know what kind of catfish this is, but it's a different catfish that we caught in
So
Texas.
shiny.
Kaye's first fish.
In the capital.
Bye. Been sitting out here for a good couple hours now, and Kaye just had a really good fish on but lost it. We are back at the same spot as yesterday. We're starting off pretty strong. We've got chicken as bait, chicken liver, and also some night crawlers. Kaye's pole right there, and it's my pole. It's like something snibbling Kaye's bait right there. I thought there was a bite. So these guys are pretty elusive. Look at that. Both baits are gone. They absolutely like the worm that was on there. Fish on, not sure what it is. Might be a really small catfish. It's fighting. I just can barely feel it because of my rod. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Nice. Good size right there. First fish here in DC. Look at that. Catfish. And he actually ate it. Look. See if we can catch some more. 5:20 in the morning. That's the Washington Monument right there. Trying to find a fishing spot. Our first and preferred fishing spot is closed. They don't open until 7 o'clock in the morning. Really trying to hope for some other fish than catfish. Come on, DC, give us something else other than catfish. I'm actually pretty amazed with the traffic right now. Only took us about 25 minutes to get here from the hotel. We are now fishing. We just found a spot. That's the Washington Monument right there. Behind us is the Roosevelt Memorial. We've been fishing out here for about a couple hours now. No more catches, so that is Washington D.C. fishing for us.